Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on automatically logging into your account when starting the PS5. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the dashboard of PS5, move to the top and then go to the right until you get to Settings and open them. In Settings, open Users and Accounts. From Users and Accounts, select Login Settings from the left menu. The first setting here is to log in to PS5 automatically. Click the X to enable the toggle and turn the setting on. You will now automatically log in instead of having to choose your account next time you turn on your PS5. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more PS5 tips and tricks.